Hi guys, Demi here, I'm back. Today I'm going to be using the Kokorosa heart dies. Well, these little pieces make a lovely heart. First I want to do my background for it and then we'll get on to that. So I've got a piece of cardstock and I've cut it out using Gina K Master Layouts 2. And I'm going to do some shadow blending. Sorry, shadow stenciling with these ones. Now these are just ones I've cut myself on my scan and cut, and I think I want to use the big ones today. So we'll put those in place. I'm just gonna line these up how I want them, and this can be drying. So I've got out Bandor and abandoned coral. I'm gonna go first off with the abandoned coral. And just, oops, she says as it moves, no. Pull that back. Take that down very well, didn't I? Duh. Okay. Just put our first layer on. And to pick it up, move it up and over. Just a fraction. So, sorry about the noise, hubby's cutting something. Right, next I've got barn door. I'm going to use the same pad, doesn't matter. Now we're just going to go over the whole lot again with the barn door. These are very juicy pads. I think the band and coral is new and the barn door has just been re-inked. That one gets used mainly at Christmas time. Doesn't really see the light of day any other time. Right. I think that's about it. I'm going to leave that in place just for a second because I think what I might do is put some glaze over it. Okay, so I've got out some Jazz Art Iridescent Glitter Medium. What I'm going to do, as you can see, very sparkly with lots of little glittery bits in. I'm hoping this will work. I just want a very light layer over the top of these love hearts. Like so. And that can be drying off while we complete the rest of it. Oops. I thought I had a finer one somewhere, but I can't find it. Seems to have disappeared. So I'll go on a search later today and see where it is. It's about somewhere. Okay. What's that? Put our bits and bobs away. Let's just going to wipe the edges before it dries fully. And all those sticky out bits sticking out. Right, and I'm going to put that to one side, let that dry, and we will get on with our next bit. Some Memento inks. Now, all I want to do with this, I'm not going to get any brushes or anything out. I'm just going to randomly swipe our card. Done. No, it doesn't look much, but it will. Right. Now with this. Now I've got one cut out here that I messed up totally yesterday when I was practicing. I don't even think that's off there, but because it's hard to layer. So once I've done it, I'll take a screenshot of it and I'll place it for you in the video, because it isn't easy to line up. Okay, so that's this cut out. Let's keep it in order, otherwise I'll get befuddled. Okay, that's that bit. Okay guys, the background with the paste didn't go quite as planned. I picked it up and smudged it, so I've gone back to the original one that I made, which is just a different stencil, layered hearts, and we put a shadow behind it, and I put some sheer shimmer spray over the top. So I'm going to quickly cut that out with the Gina K Master 2, and then we'll get this card put together. Okay, actually quite a nice frame. We'll keep that and use it for something else. Right, so there's that bit. Next we need to place these on there in the order that I showed you before. So that was, oops, that way, that way, that way. You can't really go wrong now because we've got it in colour order. So like so. And I'm just going to glue these straight on. I was going to put dimensions behind them, but changed my mind. Right, now because this is a weird shape, you just got to be careful how we lay it. I must say, I love this die, but it is the most awkwardest one to put back together. I think it would have been better if it was made and it was numbered. Or at least in some kind of a frame. So there's that. Now I've also off camera cut out lots of swirly sentiments. Right, congratulations, no. Hugs, quite possibly. With sympathy, no. Thank you, maybe. Thinking of you, maybe. Hello, hello, and celebrate. No. Oh, these swirly dies came off Anne Melvin at Positively Papercraft when she had a website going. So you've got the thinking of you, or just the plain hugs. What do you reckon, guys? Undecided. Just hugs. That'll be nice. Just hugs. Right. Let's get our glue back. How are we all keeping anyway? I'm still not seeing a lot of you over on our Facebook group. DD cards, don't forget, come over and join us. We'd love to have you. As they say, the more the merrier. Just a couple of questions you have to ask, and that's just to keep the box out. Right. So I'm going to want that in the middle there. And then we will just trim it off there. Layer already cut. I'm going to put that on there. I'm going to have to cut this card base down, obviously, but I'll get it in place first. Alright, and tape runner. Just trim that down. And next, I just want to put on some little gems. So, use the iridescent. No, I'm just going to use normal gems, I think. And there you have it. Card finished. Lots of sparkle with the Kokorosa hooks die. Don't forget, guys, the link for the die is in the description down below, along with the 25% off code. If you could give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, it'd be awesome. Alright guys, I look forward to seeing you soon, and don't forget, join our Facebook group, DD Cards. I'd love to see you over there. Alright, have a great day. Take care. Bye.
Dreams take flight, your hand in mine feels so right. Every day's a canvas, painted with our smiles.